Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel to stop rounding numbers. Excel often rounds numbers automatically, which can be frustrating when you need precise data. This usually happens because of the cell's default formatting. We'll explore simple steps to adjust these settings, ensuring your numbers display exactly as entered, with all their decimal places visible. This method is straightforward and effective for maintaining data accuracy. To begin, select the specific cells or range of cells where you want to prevent rounding. Once selected, right-click on any of the highlighted cells. A context menu will appear. From this menu, choose the Format Cells option. This action will open a new dialog box, which is your gateway to customizing how your numbers are displayed in Excel. It's a crucial first step. Inside the Format Cells dialog, ensure you are on the Number tab. In the category list on the left, select Number. You will then see an option to set the decimal places. Here, you can input the exact number of decimal places you wish to display, such as 2, 4, or even more. After setting your desired precision, simply click OK to apply these changes and see your numbers unrounded. Beyond basic number formatting, you can explore other options like scientific for extremely large or small numbers, or even text format if you want Excel to treat your numbers purely as text, preventing any calculations or rounding whatsoever. Remember to always save your work after making these changes. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.